Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see saved passwords on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now to check this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From here what you want to do is come down a bit and press onto General and then press onto Software Update. Now if you have iOS 18.0 or above, the passwords are now in a separate app. If you're currently using an old version of iOS, say like iOS 17 or 16, then you're actually going to find your passwords in the General section of your settings. If, like me, you're on iOS 18 or above, what you're going to want to do is come back onto your home screen and you see the search box at the bottom and type passwords. As you can see, there's now a separate app. So what we can do is press to open up the Passwords app, and from here what we can do is go and press onto All. Now what it's going to do is display all these saved passwords linked to this particular Apple account. This is all in alphabetical order, and you're going to find passwords for things like websites, email accounts, and anything else really that's linked to your Apple account. So what we can do is press onto any of these. Let's take my account for example. And then what we can do is get information about this particular account. So you can see things like your username, when the password was created, and you can view the password by simply pressing onto the password itself. And there's an option there to copy the password as well. So that's basically how you can see saved passwords on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.